Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So glad you clicked on that video. Today we are going to be taking down some Valentine decorations and incorporating some Easter decorations. So I have this little tray centerpiece that I purchased from the Dollar Tree about 2 years ago. I use it to decorate for the holidays and things, or seasons and things like that. I think it's the best $5 I've ever spent. It's not extremely sturdy, but it's not bad either. It's a great piece for $5 and it's worth every bit of the $5. And I'm so glad I've got it because I haven't found anything to compare to it in the Dollar Tree since. And the tier trays, if you've noticed, sell on Amazon for about $30, sometimes more. So I definitely feel great about spending $5 on this tray. So I'm just going to take down the Valentine decor, as I was saying before. And once I put that away or set it aside, then I'm going to start incorporating the little Easter decorations. So this is the Easter egg garland that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I think it was last year, and these little bunnies that are so cute. These eggs that I saved for some decor, some stickers I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. I have some St. Patrick's Day decor, but St. Patrick's Day and Easter this year were so close together, so I decided to do my tray in the Easter decor. And then I'm going to try to incorporate the 4-leaf clovers somewhere else this time. But for now, I'm just going to decorate my tier tray with the Easter decor.
you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got a style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy.
I put the roses that I received for Valentine's Day as a centerpiece in my dining room. I think these are so beautiful. You just got to look at it from all angles. I wish they lasted longer because roses are so gorgeous.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, the summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regret.